In March 2018, the Department of Home Affairs introduced the new temporary skill shortage visa, Subclass 482, to replace the temporary work visa, Subclass 457. This visa, known as a TSS visa, lets employers address labor shortages by bringing genuinely skilled overseas workers if they are unable to source appropriately skilled Australian workers. While Australian workers still have the priority for filling job roles in Australia, this visa is designed to allow skilled overseas workers to fill skill gaps and address the skill shortage on a temporary basis. Under the subclass, there are three streams: the short-term stream, the medium-term stream, and the labor agreement stream. In this video series, we will look at each TSS visa stream, and in this second video of the series, we will start by looking at the medium-term stream. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja. I'm the founder of Youenrol Education and the presenter of Youenrol's videos, and you're watching another episode on the Youenrol channel. On this channel, we provide you with all the information you need about studying, living, and working in Australia without you having to pay costly consultant fees, no matter where you are in the world. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living, and working in Australia. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, do click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. With the medium stream TSS visa, you can work in Australia for your sponsor for up to 4 years. You can also study, but you won't receive government assistance. You can travel to and from Australia as many times as you want while the visa is valid. If eligible, you can apply for permanent residence as well. For this stream of visa, you must be sponsored to work in an occupation listed on the medium and long-term skills list. Your visa will come with conditions attached to it. To see your conditions, refer to your visa grant letter or use the Visa Entitlement Verification online page VIVO on the department's website. To work out what your visa will cost, use the visa pricing estimator on the Department of Home Affairs website. The estimator does not take into account other costs. So how long can you stay on this visa? This is a temporary visa. You can stay in Australia for a period of time your employer nominates you for up to a maximum period of 4 years. If your visa is expiring and you want to stay in Australia to work for your existing employer, your employer will need to submit a new nomination. You must then apply for a new visa. Your employer may be able to sponsor you for permanent residence through the Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186, the Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme, Subclass 187. You might be eligible for other skilled work visas as well. Use the department's visa finder to find out what those other options for work are. You can also include other family members called secondary applicants in your visa application. The family members you can add will depend on whether you currently hold a Subclass 457 or a TSS visa. If you have not previously held a Subclass 457 or TSS visa, the secondary applicants you can include in your visa application are those who are members of your family unit. If you currently hold a Subclass 457 or TSS visa and you are applying for a subsequent Subclass TSS visa, the secondary applicants who can be included in your application are one of the members of the family unit, or a person who currently owns a Subclass 457 or TSS visa that was granted on the basis that they were a member of the family unit at the time and is currently one of the following: your spouse or de facto partner, or your spouse's or de facto partner's child or stepchild who is not engaged, married, or in a de facto relationship and is younger than 23 or aged above 23 and fully or mostly reliant on you or your partner because they can't work due to a partial or total physical or mental disability, or is a dependent child of you or your spouse or de facto partner's child or stepchild. To be granted the visa, secondary applicants must be included in the main applicant's nomination or provide written evidence that the sponsor who nominated the main applicant agrees that the secondary applicant can be a secondary sponsored person. Secondary applicants who apply for the visa must also meet the department's health and character requirements. You can't add family members to your visa application after it has been submitted. If you have submitted your visa application and it's being processed by the department, family members that were not included in your visa application can lodge a subsequent entrant application. Alternatively, if your visa has been granted, family members may apply to join you in Australia later as a subsequent entrant. You can be in or outside Australia when you apply for the visa and when the department decides on your application, but not in immigration clearance. If you are applying in Australia, you must hold a substantive visa or a bridging visa A, B or C. You and your family must meet all the visa conditions and obey Australian laws. You must begin your employment within 90 days of entering Australia if you are outside Australia when the grant was given, or within 90 days of the visa grant date if you are in Australia when the visa is granted. You can travel outside Australia and return as many times as you want while the visa is valid. The time you spend outside Australia does not extend your visa. Conditions attached to this visa include that you work in Australia only in the occupation you were nominated for and only for your nominating business, or in some circumstances an associated entity of that business. Your family can also live, study and work in Australia. So this is the end of the second video in the TSS visa series about the medium-term stream. Be sure to watch the other videos in the other TSS streams on our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon to find out when new videos are released. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.